Okay, Shahid, tell me that in our lives we have to face many difficult times also. We feel stressed, we feel sad. So, what do you do in your time when you are sad? So, we are meeting for the second time, right?
Yes, ma'am. It is our second meeting, and
Yes.
am I visible, ma'am?
Yes, you are visible. Am I visible to you?
Okay. Yes, ma'am. You are visible, and you are listen. I am listening to you. Yeah.
Okay, that's great. So, how was your day today?
My day was good, ma'am. It went well. Yes.
Okay, okay, that's nice. So, Shahid, the topic of the day today is life. So, do you want to talk about that or you want to have a general conversation?
No, ma'am. We will talk about the topic life. Yeah. And let me
Okay.
tell you something. How was your day, ma'am? Everything's fine.
My day was good. It was great.
Okay.
Anything else you would like to ask?
No, miss, about your session. Everything's going well.
Okay. Yes, everything is
Okay.
going well. So, let us
That's
start then. Okay.
yeah,
So,
ma'am.
Shahid, tell me what is life according to you?
According to life, life is beautiful, and each and every moment we have to live.
Yes,
Uh,
right.
yeah, and but we face some trouble also in their life. But
Yes.
we have to strong, and we have to face that problem, and that
Yes.
problem will not permanent, and yeah.
Yes.
So for me, life is beautiful, and we face problem, and we fight problem, and but ultimately problem is not will not exist for long time. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Nothing stays for permanent, right? Nothing is permanent. Nothing stays for a long time. Even the problems don't stay for a long time in our lives, right?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so you said that life is beautiful and sometimes we have to face some problems and struggles in our lives, right? So tell me, do you think that challenges in our lives make us stronger?
Yeah, absolutely. In challenge in our life sometime come, but it become strong. Yeah. It, that thing become strong, and we learn something, and then we will grow. Then we will grow up, and we will explore many things. Yeah.
Yes, we grow. We learn many lessons from life. So, Shahi, tell me, what are some life lessons that you have learned from your life?
Okay. So I have learned in my life uh, trust. Okay, and expectation, and expectation, trust, and yeah, this kind of thing I have learned in my life, and don't break anyone trust, and
Yes,
discipline, do discipline to everyone, uh, and and uh, don't yeah, one thing is expectation, don't expect to anything from anyone. So then
yes, that is
uh,
also right thing. Right, right, right.
yes, so
Expectations, right. Yes,
so I
continue.
have yes, I have learned this kind of thing. Uh, don't expectation to anyone, and always maintain your discipline from everyone, any places. It doesn't matter where you are. Every place, maintain your discipline, and don't break anyone trust. It could be your brother, it could be your friend, anyone. Yeah.
Right, right. We should not break anyone's trust, right? You said it
Okay,
very
ma'am.
right, right, right. Okay, so Shahid, tell me that who's a role model in life? Like whom you want to become in your life? Any personality, famous personality, or someone from your family, neighborhood?
I don't know, ma'am.
So you have no role model, or are
Um,
you an inspiration for yourself?
no, I don't know, Miss Sira, really. And but
Okay,
I just
okay.
want to become a good person only. Yeah.
Okay, that's nice thing. That's nice thing. we should have an aim in our life, and that should be that we should inculcate good values in ourselves. That is a very nice thing. So my next question is also related to that only, that what is your aim in life? What do you want to achieve in your life?
In my life, I have one goal. I want to buy a 2 BHK flat. Okay, man.
Okay,
And I want to become a good speaker, means English speaker. Okay, and I want
okay,
to learn
that's
this
nice.
language as soon as
Okay,
possible. Okay. So that's why I'm working here to learn English language, and
okay.
this kind of two goal I have in my life, man. Yeah.
Okay, okay. I wish you all the best, and I can see that you have passion for improving your communication skills, and in future you will become a very good speaker. I can say you this. And I wish you all the best so that you also buy your 2 BHK flat. So where do you
Thank you
want
so
to buy this flat? In your city only, Jamshedpur?
much. Yes. Oh my
Okay.
God, you remember me? I'm from
Yes,
Jamshedpur.
of
Yes.
course, of course, of course, I
Yes.
remember. Okay, Shahid, tell me something about your city. How's life in your city? How's the weather there? The food items to try? What are the famous places to visit?
Okay, in my Jamshedpur, there's now these days it has winter has come in my city,
Yes.
and in my city there's many places that was
Okay.
awesome. That is awesome. In my city there's a Kenan Stadium. Okay, it is an
Okay.
international cricket stadium, and
Okay.
JRD a football stadium. Okay, it is a very
Okay.
big stadium. Okay, and in my city there's a uh, uh, so many colleges. Okay, and
Okay.
in my city there's a dam also, and river, and lots of parks available in
Okay.
my yeah.
Okay. 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 So what are the food items to try?
Okay, food item, there's a many food item in most of the people who go to the park at morning time, they eat dosa, idli. Okay,
Okay.
and yes, and chowmin, many people they choose fast food, chowmin,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
egg roll like this. Yeah,
Okay. That's nice. That's nice. So which is your favorite food?
I like chowmin.
Okay, okay, that's nice thing. Okay, Shahid, tell me that in our lives we have to face many difficult times also. We feel stressed, we feel sad. So what do you do in your time when you are sad, when you feel depressed? What do you do to uplift your mood, to motivate yourself? How do you deal with difficult situations?
Okay, so why it come? Okay, let me tell you something. Just suppose I'm sad. Okay, so I ask the question to myself, why I'm sad.
Okay,
So
okay,
and so suppose if there's some reason because of I did wrong thing, that's I am wrong, I am wrong because of someone did, that's why I'm wrong. So if I
okay,
found, yeah, I did wrong from I did something wrong. So in this thing I try to uh, rectify, to means, yeah, I did this thing, I did wrong thing here, that's why. So
okay,
don't be sad. Okay, just suppose something I'm doing, ma'am. Okay, and
okay,
I couldn't achieve this thing, I'm not able to achieve this
yes,
thing, but I'm trying, working hard. Okay, but
okay,
I'm not achieving this thing, but
okay,
in my mind also it is available. Okay, yeah, I want to
okay,
achieve, but
okay,
I'm not able to achieve. There is some reason. Okay, so I'm going sad. Okay, now I'm going to sad.
okay,
So now what I do, I I leave this thing. I don't think about that stuff what I want to achieve from some days only, one week
okay.
and 2 weeks. Okay, then after again I start to achieve this thing.
Okay, again you try to achieve that thing, right?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
make
Yeah.
efforts. Okay.
And I that time suppose I'm feeling sad, so I'm just feeling sad, no problem, just I feel sad, I enjoy my sadness, I listen some music.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. So I must say that you are a self-motivated person. Like if
Hmm.
you are sad, you know how to put yourself together. You know how to
Yes.
handle the situation. That
Yeah.
is a good thing. Good thing. Okay, Shahid, there are many blessings in our lives as well. We have been blessed with many things. So you have to tell me five blessings of your life.
My blessing.
Yes.
Can you tell
The
me,
things
woman?
which make you feel lucky.
Okay. Can you tell me you first? Then I will go.
Okay, okay. Like I have very good family, I have good parents. I think that God has given me strength to deal with the situations. I have the grace of God with me, and I have got the facility to get educated as well, because in our India, as you know, in many backward areas, education is not given that much importance. So I am lucky that I have got this opportunity to get educated. I go in a very prestigious college of my city, so I feel blessed to have these five things in my life. So what are your five things?
Okay. So my five blessing thing. Okay. So first thing is my parents. Okay, and my brother. Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
And
good.
second is my friend also. They
Okay.
also motivated. Okay, and yeah, and other thing, what should I say? Means yeah, this kind of thing only, man.
Only three things.
Yeah, and I am not miss. I don't know what I should say about another things like yeah,
You have got a nice home for yourself. You have got good knowledge. You got
yeah,
education also. You live in a beautiful city. All these are the blessings, right?
yeah, absolutely right. And I live in India. It is also yeah,
Yes, that is
I,
also a great blessing for us. India
absolutely,
is
man.
so
Yes,
rich in its culture, heritage. So we are blessed that we live in this country as well. So see how blessed we are, right?
we have lots of bliss.
Yes, yes. So, just tell me, Shahid, do you agree with this statement that life is a great teacher and it teaches us many lessons? Do you think it is right?
Yeah, man. The real teacher is a life, man. It is true,
Yes, yes,
absolutely. Yeah,
yes. It is often
life
said
teach.
that we, yes, yes, continue.
Yeah, laugh I was saying you laugh teach some of lessons you cannot teach you didn't learn from the school from college from
Yes,
any
right.
university but life sometimes it teach many good thing yeah many bad thing
Yes.
then you can improve yourself yeah
Yes, right, right, right. Rightly said. Okay, Shahid, childhood is very important stage of our lives, right? Do you agree with me?
yes
It is a
I want to
stage
become
when
child.
we are tension free, stress free, we enjoy our lives. So tell me just one thing which you think is the best about your childhood.
In my best thing in my childhood. So I
Yes.
used to study a lot, man. My mom used to say to me, yeah, when you were a child, you used to a lot. You used to study a lot. So it is a good thing.
Okay.
When I was child, so my focus always in study. Yeah.
Okay, so you were studious, right?
Yes, yes,
Okay,
right.
okay, that's a great thing. So did you enjoy your school life more or was your college life more enjoyable for you? And why?
I enjoy a lot school time and
Okay.
college time also, but I more enjoy school time. Yeah, because
Okay.
there's a school friend is another vibe, you know.
Yes,
It's
right.
sometimes we skip at half time, okay, and this kind of activity we do, so it is a
Yes,
very good.
yes. Yes.
Yeah,
So which subject was your favorite in your school time?
I like mathematics. I
Mathematics.
used to like
Oh, that's
yes.
great. I didn't like mathematics at all. So
All
that's a good thing. So I think you are good in mathematics, right?
Just average, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. What about you, ma'am? When you sad, so how do you heal yourself, ma'am?
Okay, when I am sad or I feel low, I just pray to God. I go to a temple, or I have my own temple at home as well. So I go there, I pray in front of God, I ask God for His grace and mercy, and then I feel healed. And also, I talk to my mom. Like whenever I feel low, I just share my problem with my mom, and she always encourages me.
Yes, yes, yeah, absolutely. This is a
Yes,
lovely thing. Yeah, we
yes,
talk
yes.
to your
Thank
mom.
you.
And just say to her means, uh, yeah, mom, I'm doing this thing, but I'm facing this trouble. Please bless with me. Then after automatically that problem will solve. I
Yes,
observe.
yes,
Yeah, we
yes.
do.
Right, right, right. Parents are the biggest blessing, I think, right?
Absolutely, ma'am.
Yes.
Mother is
Okay,
great.
Shahid, tell me that if you were to give me a life advice, what would it be? Any life
Life
advice.
advice. Okay, I will give you, ma'am. Don't expect to anyone.
Okay,
Don't
from anyone.
from anyone. Yeah, don't
Yes.
expect from anyone. So then you feel calm and always. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. So I'll try to follow it for myself also. So thank you so much.
Yes,
And I think our time is over. So do you want me to give the feedback?
please, ma'am. You can give me.
Okay. I think, Shahid, that you are confident. I told you this in the last session also, and you can speak in a good way. Just work on your pronunciation and tenses a little bit. Other than that, I think that you can speak in a good way. Okay. And thank you so much for taking the session. So should we
Thank you
end
so much,
now?
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Okay. Bye bye. Take care,
Okay.
self. Good.
Bye. Bye.